It's finally time. Wake up, sleepyhead. We have a lot to do. What do you mean, Nikki? Look for yourself. Let's see. Wow! Broke versus Rich Secret Room Challenge? Isn't it great? Oh, yeah. I hope I get lucky this time. Well, are you ready? I'm always ready. Yes! I'm rich! Yeah. Hello, poverty. Transforming in 3, 2, 1. Wow, you look gorgeous. And I love your bows. Hey, everyone.
Hi.
Nikki Rich is here. Hey, what are you doing here? Polly, you're ruining my live stream. And a bed is for rich people anyway? And where am I supposed to make a secret room? Eureka! The desk! There's just not enough room under it. Ouch! Clearly not enough. This is classic, Polly. Keep laughing. I've got an idea. There must be something useful in here. Well, what did I tell you? Popcorn cups. Let's raise the table and problem solved. Voila! Yeah, I could use some space too. Ugh, this is so much better. How about a money transformation? Gold and glitter everywhere. Nikki won't settle for anything less. And Polly is happy with anything she finds. There! Now it'll be warm and cozy. What? That's not going to happen. Get your feet out of my rich territory. Don't ever do that again. I didn't feel like it anyway. Rich Nikki has so many ideas. She wants her room to be gorgeous. Solid gold curtains. How about that, sis? Big deal. I have curtains too. Not gold though, burlap. But Polly didn't consider that her rival is always one step ahead. You can just be jealous. Let's add a little gloss. Hey everyone, check out my posters. Can I see them? No way. Oh yeah? Then I'll hide from you two. Hey Nikki, don't peek. Polly knows how to breathe new life into old things. And what are you doing there? What do you mean? I'm drawing posters. That's it. Let's put some icing on it. Aha! Looks quite real. Sweet decorations are the best. Sorry, Nikki, it's a closed gallery. Nikki's secret cabin ceiling is far from perfect. It's not inspiring at all. Oh, why didn't I think of this before? This is going to be a party. I just have to blow up all these balloons. Oh no, I think I'd better make Polly do it. Anything you want for your money. What a great chance to make some extra cash.
Wow.
So fast. Polly, you amaze me. Let's get to work, guys. It's your time to shine. The gold balloon ceiling is a very classy move. I'm a rich design genius. The poor secret house isn't as cozy as I'd like it to be, but you can always find a cheap solution. Garbage bags? That's an idea. I think I've seen this on YouTube. Inflate it, twist it. La 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 la. Hey, what's that weird sound? Never mind. Phew! Now get in that giant bag. Not all at once, guys. One at a time. We have to put something on it. This ribbon will do just fine. Let's decorate it with some paper daisies. And the chair is ready. As soft as a cloud. Wow! Actually, I'm not interested at all. Polly dreams of going to the Art Academy. She loves to draw always and everywhere. But it's hard to surprise her rich sister. Or is it? Urgent delivery! Wow, is all this for me? Polly, I'm ordering a personal portrait! Not another word. Freeze, and don't move. Nice angle. How about this? Or like this? What do you think? No. Just relax and freeze. Just a little more. Yay! It's done! Here's your portrait, Nikki. Wow, it looks just like me. I'll hang it here. Now the rich sister can admire herself 24/7. It's nice when a hobby brings not only pleasure, but also money. Polly's old bear is all torn up, but that doesn't stop him from being her favorite. Well, what do we have here? Teddy cuddles. Rich Nikki doesn't want to fall behind either. Wow, it's huge. Wanna be friends? Ah! Oh, I'm fine. I love chips. Looks like Nikki isn't eager to share with her sister. I'm so hungry. Polly, you crossed the line. And anyway, Nikki doesn't share her food. These are my goodies. Where should I hide them? A safe deposit box? That's perfect. Stuffed with money, like always. That's it. Now you're safe. Hey, Nikki, can I have that wrapper? Oh, that's all right. Take it. It still smells like chocolate. How about I take a trash can and put foil in it? And add some ice, and the fridge is ready. You don't have one. Fantastic! Can you please cool down a can of soda for me? Of course, sis. Just a sec. Being rich is actually very boring. Oh, what's this remote control for? Oh my gosh, it's a VIP home theater. Impressive. What's that button? No more boredom in the rich house. You can't resist this. Wow, what an intense match. Where's my DIY controller? Oh, you poor thing. Will you keep me company? Awesome! It's even better than I thought it would be. You know what? Why don't you get a real controller? Well, are you ready? I sure am. Kaya! Nikki just got hungry. Hello? Double cheese pizza, please. Wow, that's good service. That'll be $20, miss. Do you take gold cards? Of course. Bon appetit.
No.
Where would I put it?
No.
Oh, the golden ultra-rich card is always at hand. This makes a great table. Looks delicious. I think that's it for today. Is that for me?
Oh, wow.
You're so generous, Nikki. Empty. Why am I not surprised? But Polly is not used to being sad. A pizza box would fit perfectly into this broke place. Welcome to the Cardboard Cafe. Great startup, sis.
Wow.
That mirror is so tiny. No, I can't put on makeup like that. It's so nice that I have an unique photo mirror. Snatched it up for only a couple $1 million. So where was I? Perfect. And now, selfie time! Mamma mia,
Wow.
this is a masterpiece. Look,
Yeah.
Polly, isn't that cool? It is. Did you know I have a photo device too? It's a little retro though, and it's made of cardboard, but it's not bad either. The film hasn't come out yet. Polly makes the most of her boundless imagination. It's done! Don't faint from this beauty. If you want, I can take some pictures for you too. Are you asking? Of course I do! Great ideas can come out of the blue. Oh, that's an idea! Let's arrange the cups. Done! Come on, don't let me down. Bullseye. All right,
Yay.
round 2. Yes, and I win again. Boring. Oh, is that your ball, Polly? Give it back, or I can't go on playing. Playing? Can I join you? Come on, sister. Nice throw. And now me. And, oops, better luck next time.
Yes!
Awesome. Come on, I'll show you something. Rich Nikki has her own secret game too. So I have to hit the balloon? Exactly. Victory! It's a sister's draw. Welcome to my secret cabin. Oh, I'm not sure about this. Come on, get in. There's enough room for everyone. Jack seems to have a fear of small spaces. But that's okay. You can always switch boyfriends. And Lay is not as tall as Jack. Wow, did you do that yourself? Oh, yes. I'll tell you all about it. Rich sisters are right there. Hey, Lay, come on over to the rich side. You know what? I think I've got to go. And they say money can't buy happiness. So naive. Oh no, Polly's love life is a total failure. The sisters were so used to their secret houses when suddenly… Girls, are you here? Oh no, it's Mom! Well, what am I gonna do? I'm opening the door! The main thing is that Mom doesn't guess anything. There you are. Oh, I see you've been doing your own thing, haven't you? I'm doing my homework. And I decided to take a nap. Good girls, I won't distract you.
Yay!
It